Today, Class 6th warmly welcomes you to our special assembly on words that inspired the beauty of language. We begin with a soulful Vandana, followed by a melodious orchestra. The program continues with the panchang and an inspiring thought of the day. Next, a poem, a speech, a biography will highlight the power of words.
Well-known person named as Major Dhyanchand. Major Dhyanchand was born in Ahmedabad in 1905 and was died in 1979. Mostly known as the Hockey Wizard. He led India won the Olympic medals in 1928, 1932 and 1936. In a little age, he joined army where his talent of playing hockey flourished because of his extraordinary ball control and goal scoring ability. The National Sports Day reminds us of teamwork and sportsmanship, the main things in playing sports. Teamwork is important as without cooperating with our team, we can't win even one match. Saw my teacher on a Saturday. I can't believe it's true. I saw her buying groceries like normal people do.
A group song and a group dance will add melody and rhythm.
लहरों से डर कर नौका पार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती, लहरों से डर कर नौका पार नहीं होती, लहरों से डर कर नौका पार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की
अभी आगाज है तेरा, बहुत कुछ सीखना है, कमर कसनी अभी बाकी है, मुट्ठी खींचना है। अभी आगाज है तेरा, बहुत कुछ सीखना है, कमर कसनी अभी बाकी।
After that, principal says word of wisdom and vote of thanks.
But a child who has performed here, maybe after 10 years will be able to remember that I did something on this day. Because for every class this is going to happen once in the entire session. So that's very important for the children to realize that they have really utilized this floor very well. And of course, unless, like I said, unless they will not be using the floor, it will not be easy for them to catch up where they require that.
Finally, concluded the assembly with a group photograph. Birla Public School, Ganganagar, a step ahead.